I'm Suneja from Chennai. I've come here today to venerate Saint Francis Xavier, and I feel very blessed and special to come here as family. And they said it will be too crowded. I'll be prepared to wait for 5 or 6 hours. And I was prepared, and I came, but I felt that I had the chance to venerate the saint twice, yesterday and today, without any difficulties. I felt that he had made the path for us, and at ease we went, and I feel I was so connected and very pious and very happy to be here. And as far as the organization and the way it was arranged was excellent, and we were at ease, and I will not forget this experience at all. And it actually developed my faith a little more, and I feel connected to the saint. Thank you.